Hey everybody, Sad. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing my January empties for 2019. So I said before that I didn't want to do empties anymore, or like how I had been doing them, but now I am because last year I added up all my empties and had a goal amount of like dollar amount of products that I wanted to use up. And I kind of didn't want to do that again because it was time consuming. But then at the same time, I want to do it again this year because I'm on a no-buy. And I feel like I want to see the comparison between last year and this year, being on a no-buy or not, how that affects how much stuff I use up. So I have added up my empties for this month and compared it to last year in January. So first thing on here is the Pacifica Cactus Water makeup remover wipes, which I heard that these are being discontinued, which I'm so mad, but anyways, I use reusable ones anyways, so I'm not that mad. But these are my favorite ones of the Pacifica wipes. I think I have maybe one or two backups, but I'm going to save that for when I go out of town. And yeah, these were $6. I use up this lotion. This is the Andalou Naturals Kukui Cocoa Body Butter. And I got this in a Petit Four box a while back. I absolutely love this. I repurchased two of these tubes because it is amazing. It sinks in really fast. It doesn't smell. I really don't like smelly lotion or smelly anything really. And yeah, I am going to, if I run out of all of these and I run out of like my other body lotions, I'm going to repurchase this in like the full size and then refill either one of these tubes or a reusable bottle. Because this is a good size to keep in my pocket at work. And that was $3, which is really inexpensive for a cruelty-free lotion. And then I used up this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray. I've gone through quite a few of these. Sorry, that's getting like washed out. And that's okay. I do prefer the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray, so I'm going to repurchase that when I need to repurchase a new one. And this is $5. The last thing that I actually used up is the Pacifica Coconut Water Micellar Cleansing Tonic. I really love this micellar water. The coconut one is my favorite. It is better, I think, at removing makeup than the other ones. I do have a video a while back on my channel comparing like 3 different Pacifica makeup removers, and they were all kind of the same, but I like the coconut water one a little bit better because it doesn't dry out my skin as much, I guess, because of the coconut. And this is $12. And the 2 things in here that aren't used up, but I'm just going to show you that I'm getting rid of them out of my collection. And they're the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Creams. I have the shade L5 and L1. I have had these for a little while, and I mean, not terribly long time, maybe like 2 years. And they are just so dry. They don't want to blend out, and then they get they like stick to my sponge. And they kind of lift up as I'm trying to blend them out, and it's just not pretty. So I think they're dried out, so I'm going to just get rid of them. One of them is pretty much, like the L5 is kind of empty anyways. So all the stuff that I've used up, the total was $26, which was not a whole lot, but compared to last year in January, I used up a total of $76, which included an expensive foundation. So I think it was the Tarte Amazon and Clay foundation, which was like 30-some, almost $40. So that made up the difference pretty much. So yeah, 26 versus 76. I mean, it's not as much, but maybe I'll start to catch up once I start using stuff up regularly, because I'm doing the 100 days of makeup and stuff. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if that it was helpful, and yeah, stay tuned for more empties videos and my NoBuy and all that stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.